Hey, what's going on, guys? Antonio here once again with another Ford Police Interceptor video. This video we have a 2017 with about 105,000 miles that is now ready to be sold. If you have any questions, guys, please visit our webpage, cainterceptors.com, or give me a call 909-457-5500. Okay, guys, do a quick video. We are the sun is going down any minute now, so we got to try to make a quick video on this one. Okay, so 17 Interceptor, let's go, guys. All right, so Unity LED, fully functional. Okay, spotlights, brand new Weston push bar. Okay, this one is on Goodyear Eagle RSA tires all the way around. Good tire life remaining. 87 unleaded gas, all-wheel drive, 3.7 natural aspirated. Okay, here's the Interceptor badge on that, and literally just finished getting detailed. So check it out. This will be a pretty fast video, okay, because I don't want to lose daylight. But check it out. Gorgeous. All right, let's go inside. Okay, dome light, speaker covers, white and red on the light. Power windows, power door locks, ballistics panels on 2 front doors. Okay, adjustable pedals. Okay, check it out, check it out. Seats are in really good condition. All right, let's here, let me put it on the put on the key, and let's show you guys the miles. This is 105,930. There we go. Perfect. All right. All right. So let's go to the back. Okay. Awesome. 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 Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. All right, let's go to the back. All right, here is your back. Your I guess your cargo area. Perfect. Let's open it. There we go. All right. There we go. Perfect. All right, ballistics panel. Okay, check it out. Awesome. All right, so there you have it, guys. 2017 Interceptor that's now ready to be sold. Don't mind that piece of paper. That's just where I'm sitting at on it right now because the seats are still wet. Okay, if you have any questions, please visit our webpage, cainterceptors.com, or give me a call, 909-457-5500. I'll be more than happy to help you guys. Thanks for the likes, thanks for the comments, and consider subscribing for more Interceptor videos. We do have 7 more black ones coming, another gray one, so we got a few, guys. Okay, so, and yeah. Okay, thanks for watching, guys.